Alright, welcome to Photoshop and today's quick tip of the day. And it might be one of the quickest we've ever had here. So it's how to toggle between the different screen modes. So if you didn't know, there's different screen modes in Photoshop. And that's located right down here. It shows this little icon, and then you just basically, if you see, it says if you hit F, you can toggle between the different modes. So I usually don't ever hit a button unless I have to. So in this case, I'm going to be using the quick key, which is F. So if I hit the letter F, so it's going to get rid of everything. Now it also is going to keep those windows up, but you can see it is kind of centering and putting my image. Then F, the second time, will give you a black screen, and it will eliminate every window and everything on the image. So all you're doing is looking at your image with a black border, and then if you hit F again, it goes back to your original state. So we'll go through that once again. F again, kind of centered, full screen, black border, back to your original state. Hopefully that little quick tip's helpful. If you have any comments or questions, as always, you can leave those below, and don't forget to subscribe.